practice our plié, feet positions, and relevé.
First position, plié, plié. First position, plié, relevé. First position, plié, plié. Second position, let's try it today.
Place your feet in second position.
Second position, plié, plié. Second position, plié, relevé. Second position, plié, plié. Third position, let's try it today.
Great job! Place your feet in third position.
Third position, plié, plié. Third position, plié, relevé. Third position, plié, plié. Other foot, let's try it today.
Place your other foot in third position.
Third position, plié, plié. Third position, plié, relevé. Third position, plié, plié. We showed our positions, we're finished today. We showed our positions, we're finished today.
That was fun! Great job!